I have my Rare Beauty accessories. Okay, so first of all, this tote bag is huge. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be this big, but dang, this is definitely a weekender type of bag. Okay, I'm gonna show you how this looks like on the body. By the way, the color totally matches my shades. Baby pink, blush pink to the fullest. Okay, so another thing, the handles, you guys, it's a different material than this. This is like those poofy type of jacket type of material, but this is like a, I want to say like a faux leather, and this is very sturdy. It's very nice. It's lengthy, can definitely fit over your shoulder. I love how the color is all the same throughout, monochromatic. We love that. The zipper is very nice. There's no snagging or whatsoever. So the inside of this is maroon. So elegant. There is a zipper pocket right here. So nice. So it goes halfway down the bag. Okay, now the first thing that I got is this is the makeup brush cup. So this is how it's packaged. It's bubble wrapped to ensure no destroying. Okay, it's intact. Everything's intact. We're good. It says Rare Beauty in the front right here, and then the font is a rose gold. So I did see this part online, but I didn't see this. This is like a very, very nice size. You could definitely fit a lot of brushes in here. If you don't have a ton of brushes from the Rare Beauty line or whatever brushes that looks beautiful in here, you can fit a whole bunch of the makeup. Here we have the foundation brush and the concealer brush. I love this. Mascara, got the bronzer stick, of course the highlighter, the blushes. Are you seriously a Rare Beauty fan if you don't have these liquid blushes? Come on now. I have the shade Joy and Bliss. Next, we have this super cute bag. This is, you could definitely use this for more organizing, but inside this is the makeup pencil case. Ooh, this is so soft. Probably the best storage for your brush on the go. I'm gonna test it out. The zipper is so nice. So inside it is packed with packing paper. So what's super cute about this is it also has a zipper pull. It is so cute. Okay, the inside of it is of course the same color. It's like satiny. Now let's check to see if the brushes would fit comfortably in here. Eyeshadow brushes. Let's put a mascara, bronzer, blushes. Should I bring 2 blushes? I'll bring 2 blushes. And will this fit? Oh my gosh, this is so big. You can fit a lot in there as well. What is this? Okay. I did not know this was here, but this is a mini blush. This is in the shade Grace. Ooh, this is so tiny. Oh my gosh, is this the pink one where it's like super duper pink? I actually have another small one. I do have another mini one. This is in the shade Believe. Now I have 2 minis. Actually, would be a great item to bring on the go. It's tiny and it's good for literally everything. For my cheeks, for my lips, maybe my eyes. Yes. Thank you for this gift. I did not know it was going to be there. Okay, the next one is this makeup bag. This is the same type of bag as the tote bag. It's like puffy. Got the logo here and it is protected by that. This is how the inside looks like. This would be definitely awesome for the blushes, the highlighters, like the powder stuff, foundation, concealer, all of that. And then size wise, it is longer than the makeup case. The next one is this carrying makeup case. This is so cool. I was initially looking for the toiletry bag, but I don't know, I feel like I could use this as a toiletry bag, and then this is for my makeup bag. And this is the back. And then this is the side, and it has D-rings right here, of course on the other side, and of course a handle right here. Okay, let's check out the inside. First, looks like a mirror. wow, it's cute. Okay, look at the back. It has the logo. This is a nice size mirror. Ooh, okay, it is covered by a film to protect it. Take a look at yourself, girl. Yeah, this is a nice size. I actually don't have a mirror like this. It's so very small, very thin. That's this spot right here. Is this for the mirror? Let's put it there. That's cute. Okay, so that's where you would put the mirror, you guys. That is so cute. And this is how it looks like from the inside. And got bubble wrap here, and this is more spaces. So that's one part. Now let's check out this side. So this is like really high quality. The zipper is metal, it's gold, but this is what's inside this one. Oh, what? Okay, look at this. Look at this. You can put your brushes in here. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. Definitely fits the foundation brush, concealer brush, mascara. So whatever brushes you have, you could definitely put it in there. There's 3 pockets right here, and it has this extra thing to hold whatever is long up, and then you can cover it and protect it. This is cool. And then on this side, we've got the straps, but this is how the other side looks like. Now let's check out these straps. Okay, this is the straps, and it is adjustable. Okay, I'm gonna make this longer because I want to check out how it looks like being worn. Definitely you could wear as a crossbody as well. So cute. So now that we have did all of that, it's your turn. Let's talk. Have you ordered any of Rare Beauty's cool accessories? If so, what did you get? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you're interested in watching more videos on my channel, check out this video right here. This is the new Makeup by Mario Plumping Lip Gloss. I'm actually wearing one shade right now, but check that video out. I will see you there, and don't forget, have a beautiful and wonderful day.